Visit Tuscany.com. Gnudi, traditional Tuscan recipes. Place the cooked spinach in a bowl with ricotta, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, nutmeg, an egg, salt, and mix with a fork until smooth. Place some flour in a small bowl and some more on a tray. Take half a tablespoon of flour from the bowl and place it on the palm of your left hand. Add a teaspoon of the spinach mix and use both hands to shape it into a ball slightly smaller than a walnut. Place the ball on the tray with the flour. Follow the same procedure to shape the rest of the balls. Cook the gnudi in boiling water and season with brown butter and crisp sage leaves. Gnudi. Ingredients: 250 grams of boiled and squeezed spinach, 250 grams of fresh ricotta, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, 1 egg, nutmeg, salt, flour. Method: spoon the ricotta into a colander and let it drain for a few hours. Chop the perfectly squeezed spinach with a knife. Collect in a bowl the well-drained ricotta, the cold spinach, the Parmigiano Reggiano, and a beaten egg. Add a generous pinch of grated nutmeg and mix thoroughly with a fork. Season with salt. Generously sprinkle a tray with flour. Form the gnudi with your hands into balls slightly smaller than a walnut. Gently roll the gnudi in the flour. Cook the gnudi in batches in boiling salted water. When they float to the top, lift them out with a slotted spoon and move them into a serving plate. Drizzle the gnudi with the brown butter and sage. Add a sprinkling of grated Parmigiano and serve immediately. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale, Ente Nazionale, Sordi, Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.